In this video, I'm going to show you how to change brush size in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to select your brush. You could either select this brush, which is the pixel brush. You could go with the second one over here, which is also called the live brush, or you could go with this one, which is the vector brush. Now, no matter which of these you select, you can see here there's going to be a number, and it may be different to mine over here, but when you hover over it, it says brush size. So you want to click on it, and then from here you can use this slider to either make the brush bigger or smaller, okay? Now, alternatively, you could also use the square bracket, so either the beginning of a square bracket or the end of the square bracket to make the brush size bigger or smaller. So if I press, as you can see, if I hold down my bracket, which is of course the end of square bracket, this symbol which appears over here, it's going to go up, but if I do the beginning of a square bracket, it's gonna go down, okay? So that's how you change brush size in Adobe Fresco. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.